G'day guys, just trying out the Aldi masonry bit kit. This is just for hammer drills, not rotary hammers, so it's not SDS, but you know, figured I'd give it a shot. And I'm going to be driving it with, what else? An Aldi hammer drill. Let's see how it goes. So, various different sizes, quite a nice little case. But these guys, these are these bits that have just got the fleck of carbide stuck in the end. So yeah, got to wonder how well that's going to work. Just a little chip of carbide poked in the end there. Looks pretty dodgy. Anyway, I've got a variety of materials. Let's try them out in. And I guess I'll go this size because they've given us 3 of them. What is that, 5mm? So let's try that. And in an Aldi Ferrex hammer drill, 5mm. Okay, first up is some aircrete. Okay, set to speed 2, set to hammer mode. No worries. Hollow brick. Seems to be holding up. This is just a big block of grout, so it's like concrete but with no aggregate. Okay, this is a piece of old concrete. Okay, worked okay, worked alright, but you could tell when it was hitting aggregate, it really struggled through that, but you know, pretty much every hammer drill would do the same. So far so good. I'm actually pretty impressed with how it's going. Sandstone, this is pretty soft sandstone. This is granite, and as you can see, rotary hammers drill into this fine. Hammer drills, yeah, we'll see. I would say that's a no. Well, colour me surprised, that actually turned out pretty damn good. They look janky as hell, but that, I guess, really is tungsten carbide on the tip there. It only really struggled once we got into the granite, and that is more due to the drill, not the actual drill bits. Basically, these guys don't have the sort of hammer force you need to actually drill into hard stuff like granite, but anything else, no problem, really. So there you go, pretty good actually. There's the old one on the left and the brand new one on the right. It's a little bit blued from the heat, but you know, unless you're drilling granite, I think they're actually gonna be all right for you. Nice. Drill seems to work pretty good too. Let's try the 8. $8mm. Okay, that seems to hold up alright. Okay, so I'm just going to try the big size, 10mm. So the tip actually snapped off on the sides there. Okay, see the difference there? The tip is snapped off. That is basically too brittle to really work. Just going to try another 10. And see, it jumps around. So see that? So these guys tend to walk around a fair bit as well, so I don't know, try to avoid that. Alright. Okay, so 10mm, no go. Okay, so the 6mm actually held up okay. I assume the smaller ones would as well, because they just don't have that same amount of carbide hanging off that the 10s did. So that was obviously just too much carbide overhanging the actual flutes there, so that just snapped right off. And Besser brick like this, pretty standard sort of material you would be drilling with a normal hammer drill, so I would say if you need to drill 10mm, don't bother with this kit. But the others seem to hold up alright, so that's the 8. The 8s did actually survive pretty well. There you go, guys. The old Ferrex performed pretty well. I was actually surprised by how well that worked. Not super surprised that at least some of it was janky, so there you go. The 10mm did not work at all, and this is bog standard drilling material for a normal hammer drill like this. So anyway, I wouldn't bother getting this kit if you need to drill 10mm holes, but if you want to drill 8mm and smaller, yeah, I guess she'll do the job. Drill seems alright as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Scratch you later.